He's clean and clear and under control. I'm gonna go look for him right now. Hopefully, he's not on his lunch break, because, you know, he gets a little hungry, and then he goes out to City Walk to eat something. Oh my gosh, folks. There's another shark in the water. What's going on over here? Oh my goodness, tell me that George isn't in there. Oh my goodness, he is. George, buddy, get out of there, jump on the boat. Public security, George is in danger. George, can you hear me? The shark is coming for you. They just took George into sushi. Okay, look. Everybody just stay calm, okay? So stay calm and stay safe, all right? Our driver is one of the best ones. He's one of the best in all of Hollywood. He's gonna get us out of here ASAP. But we have to stop the tram. There's a man-eating shark in there. That thing is gonna get closer to us, and it's gonna. Oh my gosh! This is going from bad to worse. Out of the fire station, folks. I promise you, my help is on the way. We're gonna get out of here safe and sound, folks. Look, oh my God! I just saw my life flash before my sunglasses. You know, if you thought that was scary, just imagine what it was like making this attraction.
The Jaws ride was almost the inevitable result of the size of the box office when Jaws first opened in June of 1975. And that was really the first time I ever got involved in the creation of a ride. It was a great honor to be invited into a creative circle of tremendous designers at Universal that were trying to figure out how to replicate what the movie had done to audiences in a real way by building a physical shark that would come out of the water and terrify tourists as they were sitting in the tram. And the most amazing thing about the Jaws ride is it is exactly as it was from the time it was first placed on Universal Lot. There have been tweaks, of course, over the years, but it is essentially what the designers and myself all envisioned and created.
That's an old movie.
It's raining a lot on the left side of the tram, but then on the right side, it's practically dry as a desert. How in the world? I was just gonna say, I don't get how Mother Nature works because, yeah, only car number 3 has like rain on both sides of it. Anyhow, one of the things that I most love about this area is the authenticity of the environment. It's got a very 6 stops. Gosh, it's a flash flood. Everyone take cover. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Holy Jimmy Jungle Folks.
Oh, they did it.
Oh, no, 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 no. Go faster, go faster. War of the Worlds, which starred Mr. Tom Cruise.
Plane crash? Should have gone with pictures.
Now folks, this airplane on the left-hand side is real. It cost the producers of the movie about $60,000 with almost $200,000 to split it up into different pieces, then transport it to Universal Studios. Here's more on the making of that movie.
Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy, the old Russian tear town lies a secret secret. You're about to find out.
Uh-oh, folks, that noise you're hearing? It's a UFO going above the tram, and if you look up at this...
For that actor. I like that character.
Oh my gosh, the gun. Okay, everybody can look up again. But now, get your cameras ready, because coming up on your right, blasting water at them, they were just as cold and wet being on the ship here at Falls Lake as they were on the real ocean. We can't wait for you to see Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey shot with IMAX cameras in theaters now.
Odysseus.